Fairness. The brain response to fair treatment. In a now famous brain study exploring fair and unfair treatment, UCLA scientists viewed participant brains while being asked to share money with another person in different ways. Some offers were fair, like getting $5 out of $10, but others seemed unfair, like being offered $5 out of $23. The study found that when offered an unfair deal, brain circuitry associated with disgust was activated. But when offered a fair deal, participant brains reacted like they'd won money or were eating chocolate. These findings suggest that throughout human history, the brain has become wired to treat fairness as a reward, probably because working together for the good of the group contributed to the survival of humans as a species. Perhaps this is the value of fairness that we experience today. What is organisational fairness? Organisational fairness refers to work where there is procedurally fair processes in reaching decisions. Informational fairness, like maintaining confidentiality and keeping relevant people informed. And interpersonal fairness, like treating people with dignity and respect. In contrast, poor organisational fairness exists where there are inconsistent, unfair, discriminatory or inequitable decisions or application of policies and procedures. For example, failing to treat information sensitively, like sharing privileged information about a team member without permission. Penalising workers for uncontrollable outcomes, like for poor sales despite inadequate resourcing of sales materials. For example, procedural injustice for workers accused of harassment, and allocating work in a discriminatory manner. Understanding interacting factors. Finally, because fairness is such a core requirement for our experience of work, it typically has a powerful influence on other psychosocial work factors as well. For example, how fairly we feel we are treated will likely influence things like how much we feel like our organisation cares about us, and how we feel about our direct leader support. It can even affect how commonly harmful behaviours like disrespect and bullying occur as well. In the next video, we'll discuss ways you can respond if you feel you're not treated as fairly as you'd like in your role. But before then, consider what type of fairness you feel is lacking in your case, and what specifically might help you feel more fairly treated.